Hi, I'm Dr. Erica Siegel, and I'm a research scientist at HP Labs in Palo Alto. I've been studying human cognition and emotion for the better part of 15 years, and I'm part of a team of researchers developing the AI that powers Omnicept. What is cognitive load? The amount of mental effort that's required to perform a task or learn something new is called cognitive load. Human information processing, mental effort, and cognitive load have been studied by researchers interested in learning and performance for over a century. Every individual has their own information processing capacity. This is sometimes called working memory capacity. And that capacity, it's fixed, it's limited, and it varies from person to person. One way to think about information processing capacity is like the amount of food a person can hold in their mouth at a given time. And cognitive load is like the amount of effort that's required to chew and swallow that food. Sure, it may be possible to stuff 44 marshmallows into your mouth at once, but is it going to be comfortable? Probably not. Is it the optimal way to eat? Definitely not. What about a single sesame seed? Would you even bother? We can think of information processing capacity in a similar way. If you have too much information to process at once, you just can't think. Too little, and it's not worth the effort. In fact, research shows that cognitive load is an important predictor of how well you learn, what you remember, and performance. Research also indicates when your cognitive load is too high for too long, it can result in chronic stress and burnout. The connection between cognitive load, learning, and performance makes it a particularly powerful tool for training and an ideal candidate for integration into VR. Let's take technician training, for example. Monitoring trainees' cognitive load while they work through a task can reveal particular areas of struggle or strength for the user and can uncover a roadmap for targeted and timely interventions. Another use is A/B testing, where cognitive load can take design thinking to the next level, allowing you to measure users' reactions to different product designs or structural layouts without ever having to design a physical prototype. Or imagine overcoming fear of public speaking by knowing when you're really ready to step onto that stage, using cognitive load measures and adding a scientific level of understanding of your preparedness. For more information, visit hp.io/Omnicept.